Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi guys, mega love shout out to everyone. Today we're doing unboxing for Pinay USA, Jelana's silver play button. So we will have a video later on after this intro. So two silver play button 2022. Ayan, I was thinking, may kambal ako. So ngayon, nagkambalan na, di ba? Dalawang silver play button. And we are very humbled. Jelana, the baby, she's 3 years old. She'll be 4 this October. And she already had that silver play button. I just want to let everyone know that is very hard to get 100k subscriber. It takes a lot of effort, takes a lot of challenges, and lots of uploading of video. So I just want to make it this short and simple, and this is my advice to everyone. If you are trying to get into 100k subscriber, my suggestion and my recommendation to everyone is to keep, I know this is simple but it's hard for some people, is to keep uploading videos. That's the only key to grow your channel, to reach that silver play button ASAP if you are in a hurry. But for everyone out there, I would rather enjoy, take your time. YouTube is also like this is a skill. This is also like you're going somewhere to learn the trade. Same thing as you in YouTube. The first year you just don't know what content you are trying to share out there to the world. So I recommend to try everything. I mean, whatever in your heart desire, whatever you want to share to the world, try it and see if that's work. Don't limit yourself just because someone told you that that is no good and your edit is no good and lots of negative thoughts about you. You know yourself. You have to be comfortable with your skin. Sabi nga nila, di ba? You have to comfortable and you know better. So I believe that just keep going. And this is my recommendation, which is I've been doing it for a long time, is to just keep uploading videos, and regardless of what other people say. And those what other people say are sometimes it's good and bad, but also they're also a good thing, a good suggestion. We cannot just grow just because of somebody. Oops, baby's here. No, Jelana, go get no, go get some. So just because somebody said that this is no good, you take it like a good criticism. Don't get so mad about it. Take it like a good, and then just think about it. Oh, why they say this one? Oh, and then that's how you started, and that's how you be the best version of you. But don't let this negativity, these toxic people stop you from the things that you love doing. There will be, as I've said, the more your channel grow, the more people will criticize you. They don't know the real you. So just keep doing, just keep uploading. So there you go, guys. That's the key to grow your channel, is to keep uploading videos. I know it's tiring, you don't know what's your content, just do it, guys. Don't be the hindrance of your growing, of your success. Support yourself. If no one will support you, so you have to start supporting yourself. So and find a good group that will support you. Always look on channels that are positive, that will help you grow. And I said positive because in YouTube world, you have to have that positive vibes in your channel to grow. Because if you have that positive vibes, it will pull you up. And that's what you wanted in this business, is something that will support you and put you up, not put down. So, those people, find a mentor. I have my own mentor, and I'm very thankful with my mentor for always helping me with my channel and advising me. I do have lots of friends out there supporting me, and I want to take this chance to thank everyone. And also my Premier Marathon. We have Premier Marathon every Tuesday and Friday. We support each other. So there you go. So the key to grow your channel is what? What do you know? Upload more videos. Okay, guys, upload more videos. The more you upload, the more you grow. And of course, always find a group of people that will pull you up, not down. The positive people, positive environment. Okay, always, that's very important, because the more you are positive, the more you are happy, the better you produce a video. Okay, guys, so don't forget, guys, that's how you grow your channel. And to achieve that 100k subscriber is to be positive and always believe in yourself. Ayun na si Jelana, naririnig yun na. So anyway, guys, we will watch after this the unboxing of Jelana in USA silver play button. So thank you for watching, and see you soon. Ayan, guys, wait for the next video.
Is this a pickup?
Yeah, this is a pickup. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Oh no.
Do I have to sign?
Nope, you're good.
No, you're good. And then for you, what is that? From where?
I have no idea.
From YouTube. Wow, thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome.
You wanna go? I don't need to sign anything.
No, you're good to go.
You're fun. Do you like this place? Gorgeous.
A little wet today though.
Little bit. Okay, thank you, sir. You take care. Yeah. And guys, oops, astig. It got wet.
It will be easy.
Oh, Jelana, just wait. Just wait for it. Open it. No, sit there.
She don't like it. She ignores it.
Okay. Ayan. Oh, yeah, it's Jelana Pinay USA. That's your Yahoo. Oh, wow.
Get your things cut. I got my thumb cut last time you opened it.
Oh, yeah. Yahoo. Okay, Jelana, go stand up. Oh, don't wear it. Jelana, stand up with your sister. I can take your picture. Okay, sit with Jade, anak. See, for passing 100,000. Jelana, can you sit with, here, stay here. Ayan, guys. Jelana, go with, Jade, can you stand with your sister so I take a picture? Come on, guys. Smile. 1, 2, 3, go. No, Jelana, stand up. See. Ayan, stand up, anak. Okay, game, stand up, guys. 1, Julie, can you guys, ayan. Stand up on the chair. Okay, Jilana, ayan. You wanna go with ate? Sit down. Julie, can you stand up with Joe? Okay, yeah. Just leave her, Julie. Ayan. Go in the middle, Jilana, because you're in the middle. Ayan, guys. No, you can just sit there. And then Jilana, yan. There you go. Okay, Jade. Look at mommy. Yahoo! How about Jilana smiling? Julie, kinda dark, okay? Yahoo! Ayan, guys. Jade, you're just smiling, okay. So, next goal is 1 million.
Yeah, they will need a gold one.
Yeah,
Then we'll get the diamond.
diamond one, yeah. So can you guys thank all your 100k subscriber?
Yes, thank you for reaching 10,000.
100k.
100K, 1,000 followers.
Yes.
Subscribers.
Yeah, so that's amazing. So here you go. Awesome.
You're being awesome.
Yeah, you guys are big. Okay.
I love Roseanne.
So this is the one, guys. Silver play button. Ayan, guys. So nice.